Ever wondered how AI can revolutionize your business operations? What if we told you it's already happening with Amazon Q? Amazon Q is a generative AI chatbot designed by AWS, tailored to suit the needs of various businesses by connecting to company data, creating a seamless experience. It's the perfect assistant for a myriad of business users, from marketers to project managers and sales representatives. By asking detailed questions, Amazon Q provides tailored results, optimizing your business operations. So, are you ready to dive into the world of Amazon Q? Amazon Q isn't just a chatbot. It's an expert on patterns in the AWS well-architected framework. Imagine wanting to build a web application on AWS but not knowing where to start. Just ask Amazon Q. It might suggest services like AWS Amplify, AWS Lambda, and Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, even providing the advantages of each and links to getting started resources. This makes it remarkably simple to explore new services, learn unfamiliar technologies, and architect solutions. With Amazon Q, learning and exploring AWS capabilities has never been easier. Amazon Q doesn't stop here. It extends its capabilities to Amazon QuickSight and Amazon Connect. Now imagine a business intelligence tool that not only provides interactive dashboards and reports, but also answers your data queries in natural language. That's Amazon Q in QuickSight for you. It leverages generative BI capabilities to build compelling visuals, summarize insights, and answer data questions, transforming the way business analysts and users interact with their data. But the magic doesn't end there. In Amazon Connect, Amazon Q turns into your customer service agent's best ally. By using the real-time conversation with the customer and relevant company content, it recommends what to say or what actions to take. This results in a more personalized and efficient customer service experience. From enhancing productivity in business intelligence to revolutionizing customer service interactions, Amazon Q is truly redefining the way we interact with business intelligence and customer service. But wait, there's more. Amazon Q is soon to revolutionize the AWS supply chain. Imagine a world where inventory managers, supply and demand planners, and other key players in your supply chain can ask intelligent, nuanced questions about their operations and receive instant, accurate answers. This is what Amazon Q brings to the table. With Amazon Q integrated into your AWS supply chain, you can delve into the nitty-gritty of your operations. You can ask what's happening, why it's happening, and even what actions to take. It's like having an expert advisor at your fingertips, ready to provide you with the insights you need to make informed decisions. But that's not all. Amazon Q also opens up the possibility of exploring what-if scenarios. You can understand the trade-offs between different supply chain choices, helping you to make decisions that are both savvy and strategic. With Amazon Q, we are just scratching the surface of the immense potential of AI in business. It's not just the future, it's the present.